What is a height adjustment and how do I use it? Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and we're gonna talk about what the height adjustment's on your vacuum for and how to use it. This machine's preset on high. If your vacuum is set on too high of a setting, you're gonna go over the debris and not pick it up. So obviously that's way too high and we're just not gonna pick up anything. So what we wanna do is I'm just gonna turn the vacuum on and I'm gonna lower it, and as I get closer, you're gonna see some agitation start, and that's gonna be when we start to actually get to the right height. If it gets to where you can't push the vacuum, it's too low. Once you get the vacuum set to the right height, you're gonna maximize the airflow and the cleaning performance of the vacuum, and it's actually gonna do what you intended it to do, and that's clean the carpet.